Good afternoon, Craig's Car Care, Lucas, Texas, discussing the proper use of emergency and temporary battery cable end repairs. There are many available: large for the larger battery cables, a standard size for the average car and truck, top post, and the side post. These have often been used for permanent battery cable end repairs and are not designed as such, but can make do when needed. A way not to do it is such as this one, where the end has clearly rotted away, and instead of replacing this end with possibly the larger end to make a good, safe, temporary repair or a long permanent repair, depending on the owner's preference, they have drilled a hole through the stud and squeezed it together and bolted it together. This is how not to do it. Thanks for watching Craig's Car Care. That's a wrap. Cut!